Halo semuanya, oke kembali lagi di podcast kita PNS Pojok Ngobrol Santai.
Oke, ini kita kedatangan siapa nih, Mas?
Oke, ini kita kedatangan tamu spesial nih. Tamu spesial dari Filipina.
Oke, dari Filipina. Saya Ju kamera. Hai.
Wow. Nanti di gitu ya. Sensor.
Oke.
Jadi kali ini tamunya berbeda dari yang
Betul.
biasanya ya Mbak Vivi.
Betul, kita upgrade nih.
Yes, upgrade dong. Jangan yang di Indo aja,
Betul.
luar negeri sekali-sekali ya. Oke.
Boleh. Nah, kita kayaknya mau kenalan dulu nih, Mas. Karena kalau nggak kenalan tuh kurang gimana gitu, ya kan? Okay, before we start, let's introduce ourselves. Maybe I will start first. My name is Fitria Ika Aryas Minda, and you can call me Vivi. And this is
Muhammad Ridho Saputra, you can call me Ridu. Ridu.
So, what's your name?
My name is Chrislyn Grace Ishano, but you can call me Chrislyn.
Chrislyn?
Chrislyn.
Okay. And you?
My name is Axel Monique Babel, but you can call me Axel.
Axel. Okay.
Kalau di Jawa Mbak Axel dan
Mbak Christine.
Mbak Christine. Chrislyn.
Oh, Chrislyn.
Kak Chrislyn.
Saya ya. Sorry.
Typo selalu kamu.
Chrislyn.
Chrislyn.
Bukan Christine, not Christine.
No.
Chrislyn.
Chrislyn. Oke, Chrislyn. Namanya tuh susah ya. Hilang tadi.
Namanya juga luar negeri Mbak.
Iya.
Nggak di Indo, kalau Indo kan Asep,
Iya,
Supri, Joko. Nah, ya.
Yes.
Yuk lanjut aja.
Oke,
Karena-
next. Oke, you kan Indonesia. Wait, nge-lag.
Ping. Nanti
Okay. You here in Indonesia. So, what do you think about Indonesia? What do you think about Indonesia?
First,
Okay.
is it okay to say?
Oh, it's okay.
So here in Indonesia is so much beautiful place and diverse. This is diverse country for me. So I like how kind and welcoming the people are, and the culture feels rich and colorful. The food, places, and the traditions are unique. And there's always something
Unique.
new to learn here. Living here taught me to appreciate different customs and to enjoy the simplicity and warmth of everyday life.
Gini mas, sangat-sangat Indonesia tuh kayak gitu
Wow,
banget
it's
loh.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Selalu di hati kan ya.
Iya.
Oke.
Ayo cinta Indonesia.
Ya,
Cinta. Pindah ke Indonesia aja ya kan.
cantik tuh.
Ya.
Itu aneh banget ini mas.
Langsung kepedean langsung atur.
And you?
What do you think about Indonesia?
Yeah.
Well, personally, I think Indonesia is a home of culture. Like whenever you look around, like wherever you look around, and whenever you are, wherever you are, there is always a practice of customs, beliefs, and culture practices, and it's just so rich and diverse that you may want to think about it, or you may want to learn more about it. That's why I love it, because I think that Indonesia is full of life.
Apa ini?
Apa perbedaan dari jawaban mereka?
Sangat berbeda. Tapi intinya Indonesia itu sangat-sangat.
Oh iya, memang Indonesia itu teman-teman, Indonesia itu apa ya? Selalu bikin kangen gitu, apalagi khususnya di Jogja. Nah,
Iya sih mas.
saya aja merantau dari Riau ke Jogja aja nggak pengen pulang, Mbak. Apalagi mereka ini ya dari Filipina.
Soalnya Jogja itu gimana ya? Kalau udah menginjakan kaki di Jogja itu, wah pelik.
Ya, lengket. Lengket berarti ya? Nah, lengket, yes. Nah.
Nanti diganti bro.
Nggak mau, itu namanya komedi.
Pelik.
Nah, plikat, mereka langsung ngikutin kan. Plikat. Enjoy aja, enjoy kita.
Okay, next.
What is your purpose for coming to Indonesia? What program are you in in and how long will you stay here? Yes.
Should answer. Okay.
Mbak, siapa namanya?
EXO.
Mbak Excel.
Okay.
Monggo.
EXO ya.
Okay.
Yes, Mbak Excel, monggo.
Okay. Thank you, Mas. Okay, so we came here. We came here as a pre-service student teacher exchange in Southeast Asia. This is the C Teacher program, and this aims to actually engage the students in our country, which is the Philippines, to come here in another country, well, in this case, Indonesia, to hone our skills and to actually improve our communication and what do you call this, partnership with international people. And by this, since we are teachers, we are pre-service teachers, we can learn how to teach students with different cultures, practices, and customs. And I believe that it is such a great privilege and honor to be one of the participants in this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And we will be here until December 2.
Oh,
Yeah, we arrived here on November 3. So it's a 1 month stay in Indonesia.
And you?
Bantar.
Oh, same.
Mhm.
You go back to December.
December 2, yeah.
Oh, December too. Okay. So we are here at UBY. What do you think about UBY?
Go first?
Sure.
Ya, tetap chill.
Yeah,
As
UBY.
I said, Indonesia is kind, generous people, and for UBY, it's a nice and welcoming university. The teachers are approachable, and whenever we saw each other, like good morning, miss, good morning.
Ah,
Yeah, they
yes.
always they always what do you call that? Say that to us. So and the environment feels peaceful, which makes us feel comfortable. And I like how the school support the students because the teachers and the students are very close to each other, and it's a good place for learning and building confidence.
Game buat saya diri nih mas.
Oh,
Karena UPY itu gimana ya mas?
apa?
Saya suka
Spesial kok.
bangga gitu loh jadi
Oh. Iya, aku juga bangga banget.
Are you going to
Kuliah di UPY itu bangga banget.
Enggak, ini tapi serius nih mas, saya
Iya.
bangga nih. Karena kalau nggak di sini mungkin saya nggak akan jadi saya gitu.
Iya, saya nggak akan ketemu Bapak dari Filipina
Iya,
juga
iya.
kan.
Cantik ya mas.
Iya.
Tapi lebih cantik saya mas.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Mm.
Kayaknya habis ini bakal berantem deh kamu.
Oh, tidak. No, nanti di-cut kan. Editor.
Maybe next.
Oke, ini lanjut.
Iya. Iya mas.
Oke, next question. Mana tadi ya? Ini ya? Ini toh?
Iya.
Oke. This is the most importable food. Ya. What foods have you tried in Indonesia and which one is your favorite?
This
Yeah.
is our favorite question.
Yeah.
Favorite question. We cinta this question
Yeah.
because we have a lot of favorite food. We tried a lot of favorite food suggested by our Nikma here.
Yeah.
Nikma
Nikma.
Indan.
Gak apa-apa.
Will you cut it? Sorry. Okay. So first, our most favorite food here, and the first one ever is mie ayam
Oh,
iya.
with quail eggs. With quail eggs. How do you say it?
Oh, telur puyuh.
But no chicken feet.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. The next one is the first one that we ate here in Indonesia is nasi goreng.
Nah, nasi goreng.
Yeah, I believe it's a classic here in Indonesia, like because of the simple taste and like the similarity of the taste in the Philippines, because we also have fried rice in the Philippines, and nasi goreng tastes similar, but
Correct.
nasi goreng has a distinct taste that we love, and so we will miss nasi goreng here. Also, just recently we tried laken. Laken.
Oh, leker.
Leker bu.
Laker.
Yeah, sorry. Laken.
Sampai
And
leker.
with the chocolate inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. And then
Yesterday.
I love this. This is my favorite. It's martabak.
Oh,
Martabak. Martabak
Yeah,
bakar.
we dip it in suka, right?
Yeah.
I love it.
Martabak
And
asin.
then we like the terang bulan.
Terang bulan.
Oh yeah. Ngerti terang
The
bulan.
sweet one.
Yeah.
She loves it. But I like
Oh.
martabak more.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Same, martabak.
Yeah, martabak. Let's eat. Come on. And then, of course, we will never ever forget our favorite drink. It's this one.
Resti.
Yeah, Resti.
Ya, endorse. Resti.
We love Resti Marquisa, and we always grab a Resti Marquisa whenever we go to Indomaret or
Bisa.
grocery stores. Yeah. So far, that's all.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
the same
taste.
Jadi nasi goreng itu sangat-sangat melekat di hati mereka gitu mas. Kayak dia tuh pengen bawa pulang nasi goreng mas. Kayaknya kalau bisa dibawa pulang tuh harus dibawa pulang sih.
Emang di sana nggak ada, Bu?
Ada, cuman beda rasa.
Oh iya sih, beda
Nasi
rasa.
goreng. Fresh tea in Philippines not available, right?
Oh, it's different. We have C2 in the Philippines, but it only have apple, lemon flavor. Don't have
Marquisa.
salsa.
Ya Miss Gulpe, Marquisa.
Yeah, we'll grab a lot. We go-
Bawa sekardus. Ya kan?
Betul.
Our luggage will go.
Indonesian food. Oke, ngomongin tentang Indonesian food nih. Indonesian food is real spicy, right?
Yeah, even if we ask for
Not
no spice,
Yeah.
they will still like have a little bit of spice in it.
Oh, also I love the sambal.
Oh,
Sambal.
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 I think you must try pecel lele. You know pecel
Lamongan.
lele?
Oh yeah, but we also love satay.
Sate. Aku tahu. Tenang.
Yeah,
Sate.
Kamu menerjemahkan bahasa.
Satay.
Sate.
When I was in Philippines, I tried many food.
Empanada.
Iya. Dan editor nanti tolong tampilkan makanannya di sini ya. Empanada, terus kuek-kuek,
Oh, kuek.
kikiam,
Kikiam.
ya fishball, and
Fried isaw maybe.
isau.
Calamares.
No.
Oh,
Apa ya? Itu
banana cube.
no.
Kalau
Kamate.
No.
Is this a food?
bisa
Is this a
goreng.
person?
Wait. Anu.
Ayo.
Lumpia.
Oh,
Akhirnya lumpia.
have it here, right? You also have it here.
Yeah, but lumpia in Philippines so different. I like lumpia.
Yeah, lumpia. Lumpiang gulay.
Huh?
Gulay, vegetable.
Yeah.
Because you cannot eat meat. There is a lumpia meat.
Lumpia meat.
Yeah,
We call it Shanghai.
Shanghai.
Oh.
you translate?
Lumpia kan babi.
No, sayur.
Ya, maksudnya Mbak Ina bilang kalau banyak kan nggak bisa makan daging babi karena isinya babi kan. Makanya
Iya.
makan sayur namanya gulai.
Oh.
Oh,
Ya.
gulai Indonesia food, chicken food.
Oh.
Ya, kamu merasa luas.
Gulai. Ya, jadi gulai di Indonesia kayak gini, guys. Like this.
Like that.
Editor handal kok.
Okay. Next.
Oke, next. Wih, udah mau selesai nih.
Iya.
Mana sih tadi? Ini. Oke, so what place have you visit in Yogyakarta? Which one your favorite place?
Okay.
Nah, Borobudur.
Which one is your favorite?
Prambanan, Malioboro.
At Malibu. We visited a lot of places here, but we went to cafes, a lot of cafes.
Yeah.
But our most favorite cafe, maybe because of the when in terms of the taste of the cafe, we will go to Fore.
Yeah, for it.
Yeah, I know.
But when in terms of the place and the ambience, the environment, it's Nest Cafe and Donuts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
donat.
Nest Cafe and Donuts. That's our favorite cafes. But we also went in our first visit, first university tour. We went to Kraton.
Oh, in Jogja.
Yes. And then we also went to Museum Sono Budoyo.
Oh, Sono Budoyo.
Sono Budoyo.
Dekat
Yeah.
Mas.
Yeah.
Then the next Saturday, we went to Hutan Pinus Mangunan.
Oke, Hutan
Oh.
Pinus.
Yeah. Then we also went to do batik. We tried to do batik
Ah, oke.
at Batik
Giriloyo.
Giriloyo.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then her favorite and also mine is Prambanan. Yeah. And I also love that day because something memorable will happen that day and it's so good. Yeah. And then we also went to the beach. It's called the Parangtritis Beach. And then of course our favorite shopping area, Malioboro.
Of course, Malioboro.
Yeah. And then we went, that's basically all the places that we went to. And our most favorite is Prambanan, and also the day that we went to, and also what happened in that day is very memorable, and that we will treasure it forever. Yeah, so that's our favorite place.
Jadi tempat di Jogja itu sangat-sangat semuanya kayaknya disuka nih Mas.
Iya, banyak juga ya.
Iya,
misalnya.
terutama yang paling berkesan itu Malioboro dan Prambanan ya.
Prambanan.
Mas. Jadi pernah nggak kesana Mas?
Malioboro ya udah ini loh,
Iya,
udah itulah udah sering banget ya. Prambanan belum pernah ini.
Wah, kayaknya ini UPY ini harus bawa kita ke Prambanan nih.
Iya sih.
Iya, nih, Mas.
UPY harusnya study tour ya.
Iya, harusnya ini kita ya timnya ini tim podcastnya.
Iya, ayo.
Kita harus berangkat ke Prambanan nih. Iya, Pak Danuri.
Iya, Pak. Jadi kita ke Prambanan.
Iya gitu. At MMSU, I was surprised because everyone use lanyard like this lanyard. Okay, I was like something you must use.
Yeah.
Ah.
Because some colleges in our university, especially at the TAC campus,
Oh yeah.
they wouldn't let you in if you do not have an ID.
Okay. I have one what and forget how.
You forgot to bring it
Yes.
here.
Aku lupa harganya. I forget the price. Yeah. Lanyard by student council, right?
Yeah.
I forget how much.
Oh, how much? I don't know. Maybe it's in peso. It's 80 pesos. It's maybe 22 to 30 IDR, 30K. Yeah.
Okay. And UBY, we must use name tag like this.
Oh, like this.
Yeah. Name tag. Iya. Bingung ngomong apa.
Ya. Oke, kita ingin bertanya nih tentang pengalaman mereka ya Mbak ya.
Iya, betul
Tentang
sekali.
pengalaman mereka selama di Indonesia. From your experience until now, what is the most memorable thing?
Oh, well, I'd like to divide it into two. Personally, my professional experience and my personal experience. Well, for my professional experience, when I executed my final demonstration at Mutiara,
Mutiara Persada.
yeah,
Persada.
Persada, because that is our host school.
Yeah.
That is one of the most memorable experience because of course I get to teach properly, and I get to share how to teach. How do we teach in the Philippines at Mutiara? And of course, I tailored my lessons to the lessons at Mutiara. But that is the most memorable because, when you are a teacher, you will feel really fulfilled if you do something like that. And then next is my personal experience. Well, this is not that grand. It's because I find joy in the simplest things. Yes. And I believe I told you a while ago that my most memorable experience is the day that we went to the Prambanan temple, but not in the Prambanan. It's the cafe after the Prambanan because we got to chit chat with our Mbak Eni, Miss Henny, Mas Mikel, our student buddies Bigma and Jihan, and of course us. So we just chit-chatted there and we learned about each other, we laughed, and after that I actually cried because I don't want it to end.
What?
Like I cried.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I don't want it to end yet. Yeah, because that will be our last hangout together
yeah.
with our Mba. And Mba. Yeah,
Mbak.
sorry. With our Mba. And it's such a bittersweet moment because I am sad that it's about to end, and also I am happy that it happened. Yeah, so that's it for me.
Yeah, and you?
For me,
Yeah.
you already told everything.
No, we have been
For me, so the most memorable memories I have here in Georgia are the simple but unforgettable moments, which is sharing chit-chats with my student buddies, Jihan and Hikmah, and with the staff of UPY, with Mbak Eni, Miss Henny, and Mas Mikel. Because Mas Mikel just stay quiet while driving, but we also chit-chat him like, oh, what is the Indonesian of this? Like, what's the nation of
He
that?
actually told us about
Yeah.
What?
Mas
Yan.
because I heard him say buang.
Yeah.
Buang in the Philippines is oh, you know buang, Mas Mikel. Yeah.
Buang
No, it's
Gila. But we call the other term?
gila.
Gila.
What's the
Oh,
Tidur kalau kita ya.
Oh yeah.
You must
you
say the word.
yeah, it's a bad word.
Oh
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
okay.
And I also enjoy sharing food with them, with exploring new places and meeting kind people like you here who made us feel at home. Yeah, because if we are not comfortable, we want to go.
speak.
Yes. Yeah, and we want to go home as soon as possible. But now, I think we can't. We can. Yeah, the feelings. That's all. Yeah.
Jadi
Kenapa?
dia nggak mau pulang. I will teach Indonesian language. You can see. Aku cinta Indonesia dan UPY. Yeah, in English, I love Indonesia and UPY. Okay, you can see. Aku cinta Indonesia dan UPY.
Dan kepi.
Sih, tadi kan UPY dulu ya.
Iya nggak apa-apa udah.
Itu ya. Iya. Okay, you can see.
Aku.
yeah.
Both of us.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Aku cinta Indonesia dan
I don't.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Aku cinta Indonesia dan UPY.
Iya.
Sorry. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Last.
Last.
Sorry.
Last.
Sige, balik ko kamay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Sorry, Sat. Maaf.
Maaf.
1, 2, 3, go. Aku cinta Indonesia dan UPY.
Yeah.
Sama UPY nih mas.
Gantian berarti ya.
Iya gantian nih. You can teach.
Okay, what do you
Filipino
want to
language.
learn?
Aku cinta. Aduh, salah. Wes gini aja. Wait. Apa ya mas, kita mau ngomong apa?
Enggak tahu saya.
Iya kita tuh ditanya kita
Oh, mau kata-kata apa? Apa ya?
Cinta BGSD.
Nah, aku cinta PGSD, Pak.
Oke. I love PGSD.
PG.
PGSD.
What is that?
BGSD is short term of elementary.
Iya.
SD.
SD.
PGSD, but you have to
PG.
pronounce it in Indonesia. So
PGSD.
PGSD.
SD. PG. Okay. Ayaten ka.
Ayat.
Ayatenka.
Ayat is love.
Oh ayat.
Ka is you.
Oh. Ayat. Ayat is cinta.
Yeah, ayat is
Their
cinta.
language is not a Filipino.
It's not a Philippine, it's a
Oh,
Tagalog word. It's an Ilocano.
Oh
Ilocano.
Oh.
Ayaten ka.
Ayatenka.
PGSD.
PGSD.
Oh.
Ayat.
I love you, PGSD.
Ayatenka.
Ayaten ka.
Ayatenka. PGSD. Oh. And I love you.
Ayaten ka.
Ayatenka.
Oh, ayatin ka.
Ngomong dong.
Apa? Kamu. Dari PGSD.
Aku mau.
Sama dulu nih.
Oke. Iya.
How do you say?
Aku mau
Iya.
kasih sayang mas.
Wah. Menghilang.
I think like this. Do you like
Menghilang.
this, sir? Do you like this?
Bukan.
Dia pakai sayang mas. Ayo dong disayang mas. Video available.
Apa available?
She talks
Sedia.
Nikma. Yeah.
Enggak.
Fine shit. Can you find some fine shit for Nikma?
That's not later, yeah.
Do you love Rido?
I love you all.
Ya, oh, semua.
Semuanya.
Semuanya.
Tapi dia tadi bilang mau kasih sayangnya mas.
Dulu.
Kasih sayang. Rido akan menyayangimu.
What does it mean?
Rudo loves you.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Same.
Same. Apa same?
Sama-sama.
Oh,
Sama-sama.
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 Mereka same.
Same. Indonesia.
Yeah.
Sama.
Yeah.
It depends on the context. Yes.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Kita belum meragain loh tadi loh. Bahasanya
Apa mas?
yang aku cinta PGSD.
Udah kok.
Belum di kamera, ayo sekali. Apa tadi?
I forget. Sorry. Aku cinta PGSD.
I love PGSD.
Ya. In Philippine.
Ayaten ka.
Ayatenka.
PGSD.
Oke.
Ayo, satu. Di mana? Mana ini? Editor. Itu.
Ya.
Oke.
Oke.
Satu,
1, 2, 3.
Ayatenka PGSD. Langsung bisa bahasa mereka.
Bahasa. Wait. Ilocano language or
Ilocano.
Ilocano.
If you want to translate it in Tagalog, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
PGS.
Mahal.
Mahal.
Oh, mahal.
Love.
Oh, mahal in Indonesia expensive.
Oh yeah, it also say it's also the same in the Philippines. It differs in context.
Oh, oke. Mahal.
Mahal di sini, larang.
Iya, larang.
Udah ini Mbak Wiwi kayaknya.
Tapi saya masih pengen ini, Mas.
Ngobrol.
Belajar bahasa Filipin yang
Oke.
dulu.
Nanti kita belajar di belakang, oke? Oke, semuanya. Ini kita sudah ada di penghujung
Betul.
podcast ya. Udah selesai nih. Aduh, kita berpisah nih ya sama mahasiswa Filipina nih.
Iya, harusnya
Gimana?
kita besok sama nih Mas.
Oke, gantian ya kan?
Iya.
Oke. Bu,
Apa?
enggak, kan kita ke sana. Berarti itu kan dananya dari
Oh iya, mau sih aku kalau difasilitasi free gitu. Langsung
free kita. Mangkat Filipina. Yes, just to Filipina.
Iya.
Ya.
Oke.
Oke, tutup.
Kok aku ya?
Iya, kamu aja yang nutup.
Kata-kata.
Nah,
Kata-kata apa?
kata-kata hari ini lah.
Kata-kata hari ini. Aku belum menyiapkan kata-kata. Oh, punya semangat nih Mas. Tolong Mas semangati Mas.
Mas Wahyu. Oke, teman-teman semua, jadi kita udah selesai podcast sama mahasiswa dari
Filipina.
Filipina. Oke. Oke, mungkin udah ya.
Ya mungkin kayaknya itu aja sih Mas.
Terakhir, pulang lagi.
Apa?
Ini, ngucapin ini lagi, oke?
Oke.
Oke, siap. Oke, teman-teman semua, kita udah selesai nih podcast sama mahasiswa Filipina. Dan sekarang kita akan pulang ya.
Betul. Enggak pulang Mas, ditutup.
Oh ya, kita tutup dari podcast PNS. Pojok Ngobrol Santai. Udah selesai, ya Allah.